How to create UPS account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily sign up for a UPS account. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open any browser. Search for UPS. Scroll down and tap on Create a UPS account. Wait for it to load. If you want to sign up automatically, you can tap on Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple or Twitter. If you want to sign up manually, then scroll down, enter your first and last name here, enter your email, enter user ID, enter password, select your country's phone number code and enter your phone number. After you have filled in all the details, scroll down. If you want UPS to send you offers, insights and industry news that can help you improve your shipping, select yes, or if you don't want to, select no. Then tap on sign up. Read the agreement and scroll down all the way to activate the checkbox. If you agree to the terms and conditions, check this box and tap next. Now open your email which you have entered at the time of signing up. Open the account confirmation email which you would have gotten from the UPS. Tap on verify email address. Enter the email ID and password that you have entered at the time of creating the UPS account. Then tap on login. Your account is now verified. So this is how you can create a UPS account. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.